In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to record an expense transaction, whether you're a small business owner, a finance professional, or someone who just likes to keep their financials organized. Understanding this process is crucial. So let's get started. First, we'll need to navigate to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks homepage URL. Once it's loaded, ensure that you log in using your credentials. Your QuickBooks dashboard should appear, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial data at a glance. Now that we're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Expenses. This section is where you manage all your spending activities. It's the hub for keeping track of payments, bills, and of course expenses. Next, look for the New Transaction button. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Expense. This option allows you to manually input any spending that's occurred which isn't automatically pulled in from bank feeds or integrations. With the expense window now open, we'll start by identifying the payee. Click on the payee box, which is where you specify who the money was paid to. If the payee is already in your records, you can simply select them from the drop-down list. If not, you can add a new payee right there. It's a simple click and type process. Once you've selected or added the payee, it's time to choose the payment method. Look for and click on the Payment Method field. This is where you'll specify how the expense was paid, be it by credit card, cash, bank transfer, or any other method you've used. Now let's categorize the expense. Click into the Category field. Assigning the right category helps in organizing your expenses and is crucial for accurate financial reporting. For example, if it's an office supply purchase, you would select Office Supplies from the list. For this guide, select the option labeled Other Expense. This generic category is used for expenses that might not fit into the predefined categories. Once the category is selected, it's time to focus on the numbers. Locate the Amount field and type in the total expense amount. Double check to ensure the number is accurate, as accuracy here impacts your financial reports and reconciliations. Finally, to wrap up the process, you'll click on Save and Close at the bottom of the screen. This action will save your entry and return you to the expenses dashboard. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully entered an expense in QuickBooks. Keeping track of expenses efficiently ensures your books are always up to date. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.